Ready?
I'm always ready, baby. I mean, oops.
Oh, calm down.
So
what did you discover?
we've been scrubbing and cleaning. I started on this side.
Scrubbing and a cleaning, huh?
Scrubbing and a cleaning.
Hey, did you just like do your hair and makeup for this?
I did. I look fabulous, don't I?
Yeah, cause you had
Bondo, spackle. I'm ready
you
for my
had
close-up.
schmutz all over your face.
Okay,
So you found broken hardware that we didn't even see because it was so covered in schmegma.
Yep. So we have another broken bolt.
Yeah. Oh
Here.
darn! Bobby has to drill out another bolt.
Yeah.
No.
Not like there's not enough of them to drill out.
Yeah, right. Because
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a busy boy over here, but I'm good at this stuff.
Yep. And we're definitely gonna have to flush this block out really, really good.
Yeah, it's pretty gross inside.
I don't know if you can see all that in there.
Schmeg. Ooh, Scotty,
Yeah.
take a screwdriver and actually go after
I'll
it.
gonna try and see if I
Look
can.
at that, schmegma.
And it's just as bad in there as well.
Yeah. And
So-
we did get the radiator back from Gary, so we don't.
Oh,
wanna,
good. Yeah, no, we're
we don't
not.
wanna-
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll probably pull this outside
You're gonna pull
and
out?
start using the hose and flushing out the ports real
Sure.
good.
Okay, yeah, we got those out. Good.
Yeah. But yeah, we've got another snapped off bolt.
I'm gonna be
And
busy
it's a
beaver.
cross bracket is what I'm thinking.
I can't remember what goes there.
Yeah,
but it doesn't matter. It needs to come out anyway because we need to clean this. Look at this nasty shit.
Oh yeah, it's.
We need to clean this and yeah. Once
But
it's
the
all
other
clean,
side
I
came
can
out-
start reassembling
Well, I've got-
things.
I'm about halfway done.
Whoa, we're halfway there. Wow.
Yeah, I'm living on a prayer to not hear your voice sing. I mean, ooh, I didn't say that out loud, did I?
Wow, that was good.
All right, so this side came out really good. I want to spray it down a couple more times just to get the last bit of grease and everything off.
Look at that. It's not horrible.
No, it's not. Oh, wait.
Did you find more schmegma? Oh, there's schmegma. Yeah, you're gonna be schmegma cleaning for a while.
Yeah.
But we got all the freeze plugs out. We did that when
Yep.
Burnsy did the tear down.
So we started up to here. Yeah.
Yeah.
As it being better, but you can see how bad it is. But I don't want to go near that because I want to keep the original markings on it. So I'll just gently wipe the oil off of there.
Yeah, it just needs to be cleaned up. I mean, that's not bad.
No. But
That's
this
not
side
bad
was.
department.
Yeah, this side was really, really bad.
Looks better up here too. In the
Oh,
front.
yeah. Well, the front's pretty good. It just needs to be hosed off again with the last little bit to get all the junk out.
Look at that. It's getting there.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Scotty,
Yep.
keep her up.
That's what they call me.
Then we got to
Fix
give.
her.
Then we got to give you the manifold
Oh, God. Ooh, a man. Oh.
that you fold.
Ooh. I'll just put him in my pocket. Just like that. Just like that.
You're crazy. Okay, get back to work. Get back to work. Fun.
Yeah. And